Okay, look right over here, everybody.
Were you? What do you think of that, darling?
Oh, Cookie's fun. I like it.
Yeah.
You know what's this, don't you? Hi, we're in Asia now, and we're in Himalaya, and I love it here. I've never been to Himalaya, but I love it, and I think it's amazing. I love the music that they're playing, and all the written Buddhist flag that they have hanging, and the old temple and building and everything. It's amazing. They're into detail. They even got this. This is a lemongrass. Oh, I love the smell, and I love the music. It's amazing here.
Whoa, look, we're going up the mountain. We're going up the mountain, Jason.
I know, but I don't want to fall down.
It's okay. See, look. Oh no, look. It's like we're going to go backwards. It's okay. We're going to go backwards now. Don't worry. We're just going to go backwards. Ready? Here we go. What's that? Did you see something then? Was that the Yeti? Oh, here we go.
I didn't like it.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's finished now. It's okay. I looked up. So we're on the Kali River Rapids.
Oh yeah!
Here we go. Hold on tight, everybody.
Here we go. Get ready, girls.
Got a little bit wet.
That was a bit too late. How come nobody else was stripping like that? We'll do it again.
I want to do it again.
At least we're in Florida, that's for sure. We'll dry off pretty quickly.
Yes,
Definitely. Sun. What do you think, Jason?
I want to do that again.
That was fun. Let's do it again. Just come off of the Kali River Rapids and a little bit wet. Looks like I've wet myself. Jason's alright though, aren't you, Jason? But it was great fun.
I want to do that again.
Jason wants to do it again.
I want to do that again. Alright.
Is that your favourite ride? Is that your favourite ride, Jason?
Bag of sucking.
So
Here we go.
maybe we'll do it again later.
It's bring back memories, like when I was 10-year-old, when my village still got lots of bamboos, all the, you know, yeah, it's bring back memories, really nice. And
Is
the
it like being
music,
in Southeast Asia?
yes, definitely. Yes.
Wow.
Really good.
Did you give him a hug? Yeah, you gave him a hug. Look, and there's Goofy as well.
Here.
The young man here.
Characters come down the middle.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, so we're going to have a character lunch at the Tusker House now. So, it's a buffet lunch. All you can eat.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Lovely to meet you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh. How was that, baby? How was that, Jason? Yeah. You know, a lot of adults get emotional like this when they see Mickey Mouse like that. Can't believe it.
Sit up, boys. Let's settle down. For the last time, I just can't wait. Everybody, all together.
Yeah, look, he's moving.
Oh,
course, we just came out from the bench to the Avatar. It's like amazing. It's the best ride. It feels like you in the movie and it's real. And even it's got like water and everything splashing on you. It's like it's amazing. I can't describe how it's like in heaven. One moment I was sort of like, oh my god, this is heaven. Everything was just like so real. And I was flying and everything. Oh my god, it's so real.
You really feel like you're on the back of a banshee, and you can even feel him breathing between your legs while you're riding it. And you go twisting and turning through Pandora, through the trees, over the ocean. When you go over the ocean, you feel the water spraying on your face. It's just an incredible experience. It's almost like the real thing. Not that we would know.
And I couldn't believe it before. I thought I was in the app. Then I thought I was riding that thing by myself.
Brilliant, yeah. Do you want to go on it again?
Yes!
It's worth the wait. It's about 1.5 hours. It's worth it. Absolutely worth
I want to
it.
do it
It was a long wait because we didn't have a fast pass. We waited over an hour. Hour and a half maybe?
Yeah.
But it was worth it. Brilliant.